In this video, we will 15 best car seats for 6-year-olds, booster car seats for kids. So let's start now. Do 6-year-old need car seats? Yes. They do, and you must find such car seats for 6-year-olds that will grow with your children and stay with them until kids are heightened enough to travel without a car seat. But why do you need a car seat for 6-year-olds? And what car seats 6-year-olds should be in are some questions you must know before you get your hands on the best car seat for 6-year-olds. There are many things you should consider to make the right purchase of a car seat for 6-year-olds. For instance, their comfort, your satisfaction level regarding safety, available features, convertibility, and much more. So, we have brought 15 high-end yet best car seats for 6-year-olds that met all our safety and other standards. But before you get into details, check out today's top picked 3 car seats for 6-year-olds. Recommended frontrunners following are the top rated and best reviewed, in terms of safety, comfort, and ease of use, car seats for 6-year-olds. 6-year-olds should be in car seats that are apt to their age, fit well with the parents' budget, and are secure enough without restraining their activities and making them confined. After all, 6-year-olds are active generations that are learning to live and growing faster than ever. So, based on this, we started searching for the best car seats for 6-year-olds. 50 seats were considered as always, and from those, only 15 met our standards. Details on our standards are given at the bottom of this page as a user guide. Best car seats for 6-year-olds. All 15 best car seats for 6-year-olds we are adding here best than the rest. These 4 are based on user ratings and are totally worth your money. 1. Safety First Grow and Go All-in-One Convertible Car Seat. Safety First Grow. The Build to Grow car seat by Safety First is the perfect thing you need for your child, as it is designed to stay with and serve kids from baby to child, thanks to its 3 modes: rear-facing, forward-facing, and belt positioning. Booster mode. Safety harness comes with holders to loose, tight, or untie the child while traveling. Besides, an adjustable headrest is also added to the seat to make the baby or child stay comfortable and fresh. For mommy's ease, it has machine washable and dry safe seat pads. The reclining feature turns into a bed so the baby can nap without hassle. If you have a vehicle with shockproof tires, these top car seats for 6-year-olds won't let children wake up during the journey. 2. Costco Finale DX 2-in-1 Booster Car Seat. Costco Finale DX 2-in-1 for active families who are always on the go with kids sitting behind. Costco Finale DX 2 is best because, along with all the necessary features, the ergonomic design makes it a must-have for growing families and carpools.